And we're back, and in this video I'm going to give you an introduction to using the brushes in Adobe Lightroom. So we've got a new image here, you can download it via the description link below. Let us click B, the short key for brush, or click on the icon, and you can size it up, size it down with the scale or by holding Control and using the mouse wheel. And you've got all these options that you already know from editing. Let us click on this drop down menu next to size, and we can play around with the feather, flow and density of the brush. But important is the auto mask up here, we're going to use it, so check it so that it's activated. When you click O, you can cycle through different mask options. You can show the overlays, hide them, and show these overlay points. So when you create more than one overlay, I'll show you this later on so that we can select them properly. Let us take care of the grass here by the river first. I'll paint on it and I've cycled through the overlays so that the overlay is shown. So use the O key for that. And it gives it this red glow. So I haven't adjusted anything. When I hide the overlays, you don't see anything. But if I now play around with the tint, you can see how the grass is adjusted. So the area where the overlay is now gets a green tint. And I can play around with the temperature and you see it even better. Let us go down to saturation and I increase it. I overdo it in this example so that you can see properly. We've also got a color option, just click it, activate it, and then you can choose a color to add. So I'll give it this unnatural green. Now we want to add a new overlay, just click on start new brushing. And now I want to paint over the mountains. And I used O to cycle through the overlay options to show it. And we will get once again this red glow, which signals a new overlay. So that looks fine. I'm going to overdo it here as well. So let me use O until I've hidden the overlays. And now I reset temperature, make it cold, and I go down with the tint. You can see the adjustment in real time. We play around with the saturation, and maybe I'll have to add a little bit of brushing down there where the mountain meets trees. And because I've activated the mask by checking the box previously, Lightroom automatically finds these edges, so that's very helpful and you should activate that as well. Let us add another brushing for the sky. I'll put it over it, and we've got the red glow again. I'll use O to hide the overlays, and then I play around with the temperature and the tint, and maybe I add a little bit of color to it. Obviously you can also add all of these editing options, the lighting, example, and you can play around with texture clarity and all of that stuff. So if you press O until you've got these overlay points and you hover over them, the overlay is shown. If you now click right, you can delete it. Just like this. Let's compare to the original. You can see what's happening, then right click and I reset the brushing, and now all of these overlays are gone. So this is the introduction of how to use the brushing in Adobe Lightroom. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.